Today I'm going to tell you what superseding means. Hello, I'm Griffiths, welcome to Winning Griffith. Here we do everything beekeeping, farming, countryside living. Now we do reviews as well. Now I'm just going through my hives here. This year now is one of my best hives. They haven't wanted to swarm all year. They are absolutely rammed with bees. They've produced, how many supers we've got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes there. 4 is full, 1 is half full, the top one is empty. Now, superseding. This hive now has decided to supersede at the end of July, which is the best time to supersede. Now, what is superseding? So, let's look at swarming in general. When the bees produce a queen cell, chances is they'll produce more than one and they will swarm with the old queen. That's called a swarm. They're producing a new queen to take over the old hive, but the old queen is moving away, taking some of the bees with her. Now, when a hive decides to supersede, it only produces 1, maximum 3 queen cells in the hive. They'll produce a new queen to take over the hive, but the old queen, she won't fly off and swarm with the rest of the bees. So from a bee farming or beekeeping point of view, this is the best case scenario. This is nature doing all the work, the beekeeper doing nothing, while gaining the maximum amount of honey crop as you can get. Now, there is one superseding cell in here, and it's right there. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. There's only 1 queen cell in this hive. So that's all I gotta do now, and this is what you do when you come to a hive when you see queen cells. If there is only 1, maximum 3 queen cells in the hive, and it's either on the top or middle of the frame, chances is they're superseding. Leave well alone. There's no need to inspect that hive again. Chances is hopefully the queen will mate successfully and it'll be job done. Now, why is it very important that I want them to supersede end of July? So let's say they superseded end of May. As that old queen dies off before the new one starts laying again, the number of bees in the hive is going to slowly decrease. Not enough worker bees in the hive to produce a honey crop. Because this queen has laid all the way through summer, still laid up in there now, the hive has taken advantage of the maximum number of bees all summer. They've produced a fantastic crop of honey. And even though that old queen is going to get killed off by the bees now, probably in the next week or 2, she's laid up all the frames. So over the next 3 to 4 weeks, I'm still going to get new bees coming through there to take advantage of the honey crop that we've got, well, the honey flow that we've got currently going on now. So even though they're superseding now, I'm going to lose the queen. I'm not going to lose a honey crop from these bees because they decided to supersede at the right time of year. Now, obviously, I can't pick what time of year they choose to supersede. This is just a best case scenario. And if you were to see this on your own hive, doesn't matter what time of year it is, 1 queen cells, don't do anything about it. They're not going to swarm. Anything more than 3 queen cells, then I would definitely suspect that they're swarming and you need to intervene. Check my video on how to stop bee swarming for you to see what to do there. Well, that's it for this video. Only a quick one explaining what superseding means in a colony of honeybees. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, hopefully you've learned something. And don't forget, if you like this video and you want to watch more of the same kind of content, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try my best to put a new video every week. Thanks for watching.